Yes.
So, you've caught me. You win then. But if you let me go, I'll give you some good advice that's worth more to you than eating me.
A talking bird? For one so tasty, how can it be so smart? How fortunate am I to get something worthwhile from this magnificent creature? What is the value of this advice that was given to me?
Its value depends on the advice you need. But it will be good for your future, worth more to you than eating me.
I'll take your advice.
Never trust futile words. Too bad you let me go, because there are masses of nightingales flying towards us. Its value depends on the advice you need, but it will be good for your future, worth more to you than eating me. Do you really think I want my family to be eaten? You are not only greedy, but you are stupid, for now I can never be yours. Now I will take your soul because you gave it to me, and I'm turning you into your prey instead of being the hunter. Now you see what a fool you have been to trust futile words.